to another video. Just a few things. So I'm pretty sure I showed you guys this in the last one. If not, you know, I'll throw the clip in. But it's my Type S one. I just gotta get the trim that goes around it. So I'm just getting the trim that goes right here. It's like a black trim from Honda, and then I'm gonna just go ahead and paint this black. Yeah, I just don't really care for it all color match. I don't know, I'm still kind of debating on it, honestly. Probably once I put this trim on, I'll figure out if I actually want to paint this or not. Anyways, I'm getting a new exhaust, waiting for the guy to come. I'll show you guys very soon. And so I put this duckbill, if you guys haven't seen my Facebook post. And then half you guys liked it, half you guys didn't. I color matched it and everything. I shared a clip video after I painted it. And then yeah, well, I don't know, I took it off right away because I wasn't feeling it. I have the OEM Type S one, I'm just gonna reusing for now. But yeah, here's a meme right here. They post of my car, LOL. Anyways, let's go ahead and wait for the guy to come. I'll show you guys the difference between the exhausts and all that. Right here it is, my new one I just picked up. Comptech Sport. I'm gonna go ahead and like probably polish this out. I think the clamps, little resonator. Might take this off and weld this one at my work. It's because it looks like it's splitting a little bit, and then I don't want that happening, so I'm gonna go ahead and weld that up. Take this V clamp or band clamp, whatever, off. Do another clamp. I mean another cat. But yeah, here it is. Once I get this all cleaned up and fix that little tiny crack on here, I'll go ahead and throw this on and I'll show you guys the sound difference and everything. This is the trim I was talking about. That little black trim. I think it gives it more of a cleaner look. Just in case there's like a little gap, it kind of closes it off. I want something like that for my trunk liner once I put it all back together. But yeah, that's why I'm getting a Honda. It's like 30 bucks for a whole roll. Real quick, decided to do a polish here, whatever I had at home, and actually came out pretty damn good. Just polish this part and this part, because I think that's all you're gonna see. I don't think you can see this at all. And then there's before, after, before, after. Whoa, it's pretty dope. Real quick, it's pretty thick exhaust, it looks like. And then it kind of goes down to like a little smaller section for the exhaust, but pretty damn thick. It's like pretty thick, and that's when it like kind of breaks off and goes to the smaller piping. But yep, we got the I guess the V-band now, or whatever. My buddy came, we did the smoke test on here with the vape, and it didn't leak, but I'm just gonna go ahead and just do a nice weld on this. Since I have it off already, why not? Maybe I'll polish this up, but I don't think I will. But yeah, you guys updated. So this is coming off. I paint matched it. It's pretty cool. It's like a one I've never seen before, but the HICs are more sharper. I know I had them before and I actually went with this one, so but I kind of regret it. So I'm gonna actually go get the HIC one. So I sold this one to my buddy in the group. Usually if you're in the UA squad, and you guys should join if you have accurate T-outs, just because you usually get first dibs on car parts before they post it on. Like literally my duckbill that I had that I showed you guys, it's already sold. This is gonna be sold. My exhaust is the only thing that's not sold yet, so if anyone interested. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Alright, it's off. Alright, see, I changed my mind about a lot of things, as you guys haven't noticed. My car has been switched up so many times. But yeah, This one is out. I have no idea what brand it's off. This is, I came from the Black Hacker when I got it. This looks a little bit better than the one I had, but I'm gonna go ahead and get a new one once this one is sold. Alright, finally got those trim pieces from Acura or Honda. Here's the part number if you're looking for it. Looks like I finally get this all back together. Been here for a while, and the trim pieces goes in here. I'll show you guys once I have it on. Alright, and that's that trim piece that goes all around. Should fit pretty good. So I'm gonna go ahead and I just gotta fix this real quick. Broke off during the loading up. So I'm gonna go ahead and fix this with some more thing. That way I can have the zip ties. After that we'll mount it and then get the exhaust at least started. So this is currently my exhaust right now. The reason why I got the bumper too is because like there's these little dinks and stuff. I know I'll probably cover over it, but I want to get all that like all this all gone and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do quick clips of this exhaust so you can see how it sounds. Just a stock OEM with a magma flow, I believe. But yeah, you can see how I cut the trim around it just to make it kind of fit. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys right now. Alright, got it jacked up. First thing I'm gonna do the easy part is remove this right here. It's like a 14, 214s on the stock one. It's very weird how they designed this. Take a look. This comes off right here. That one's just a straight one. It connects all the way back there somewhere, which is that one right there. So I'm just gonna take off these guys and take off the bolts over there. And we were to get these off with some penetrating oil on the rubbers. Yep. Alright. There's a one hanger right behind it right there. And then one right there. I'm gonna take off, and this one should come off right now. Alright. So before, after. Just a bigger exhaust tip, just a single one. Yeah. Go ahead and actually put this one on for now, I guess. Now wait, I'll actually get the other ones off and then I'll go ahead and start putting all this on. Alright, you see a lower car? These ones are a bitch to get off. God damn, it took me forever. Finally got it off. Get the hangers off, and here's the new ones versus the old ones. The piping is just like maybe a half inch bigger compared to it. Let's pull it over. You can see it's a little bit bigger. Yep. Go ahead and put this one in. Exhaust is now on. I'm gonna go ahead and do the first startup. And check for any leaks. Alright, you heard it. First impressions, it's very deep, very toned down. It's like almost, maybe just a tad bit louder than that. I'll check the footage. But yeah, no, so that's how it is so far. This is the Comptech one. All it has is the mufflers in the rear and their mid resonator it comes with. Overall, I don't know, I gotta drive to see if I really like it. Probably the next part of the video is me installing the lip and everything. But yep, I'm gonna go ahead and skip to that part. It's the MagnaFlow Type S. Got some herpes going on right there. What the hell? Oof. Damn. Oof. We're off. It's kind of aggressive without it. I polish up that side right there maybe real quick and then wipe down my fingerprints. Oof. Nice. Waiting for the lip because I'm fixing the zip tie on it, so I'm letting it dry, so I'll pick this up tomorrow. Alright, so for the rear lip, you do gotta take your bumper off. I think I showed you this before. Take your bumper off. You got your 3 screws you have on the back. This the actual lip has it for at least the Type S Aspec rear lip. There's 1, 2, 3. You just make the holes, and on the other side you can't really see it, but there's you just nut it on. And you can see my zip tie ones I made is back on here to hold the sides flush. With a little washer to hold it on, but this is holding it pretty sturdy. The trim looks pretty damn good all around. Yeah, looks pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and mount it on the bumper and show you guys more in the morning how it looks. Alright, it's morning time. Go ahead and show you guys. Oof. Oof. Looks so good. So this is where the debate comes in. Should I paint this or leave it color matched? Looks so good. I'll do a little cinematic in a little bit.
That's why your friends always hating on me. Fuck them, no, I did this all by myself. Matter of fact, I ain't never asked no one for help, and that's why I don't pick up my phone when it ring. None of my exes is over Lil P. Nobody flexing as much as I be. That's why she text me and tell me she love me. She know that someday I'll be over the sea, making my money and smoking my weed. I think it's funny, she opened up to me, get comfortable with me once I got it coming. I love her, she love me, I know that I'm nothing like someone the family want me to be. If I find a way, would you walk it with me? Look at my face while you talking to me, cause we only have one conversation.